Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my November 2021 IPSY Glam Bag X. I am so excited for this. This is a quarterly upgrade to the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, which is like $25 a month. That one might have had a cost increase. They seem to all have. This one actually did not have a cost increase, so it's an extra $50 total. So when it's that every 3 months, my IPSY Glam Bag Plus gets changed to my IPSY Glam Bag X. I know I'm explaining that kind of confusingly, but basically this cost $50 a quarter. And I'm really excited about it because the concept IPSY X is that each box is a different collaboration, and this box is with Huda Beauty or Huda, and I love Huda Beauty, so I'm really excited about this. So let's go ahead and see. Oh my gosh, look, I'm jumping ahead. I should also let you know that I unbox all of the IPSY Glam bags and the BoxyCharm boxes and Glossy Box here on my YouTube channel. So if you like those types of videos, make sure you subscribe. I also got my BoxyCharm Premium in the mail today, so stay tuned because I'm going to be doing that unboxing right after this. And I already got my BoxyCharm base box, my Glam bag, regular bag, and my Glossy Box. So if you want to see those unboxings, they are already up on my channel. And I also want to let you know that I'll be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get in this box here and all of my beauty subscriptions for the month. So that's why I'm not going to be swatching and trying anything on right now, because I'm going to try those out very soon. As always, let me know if there's any products you're extra interested in me trying out first so I can prioritize those. But if you like unboxings, makeup reviews, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of those uploads. But now, finally, without further ado, let's see what I got in my November 2021 IPSY Glam Bag X. Oh my gosh, it looks like there are so many products in here. So for product information, I love that they do this little newspaper style with so much information and information about Huda. So I'm really excited to get into this. It has information on all of the products that you could have gotten in here. Okay, so first, I'm actually going to pull this out and I want to talk about this product right here. So this is from the brand PMD. PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. So I actually already have this. I have it in the teal color and I love it. I use it every single day when I wash my face, and it's just such a great experience. I feel like I'm getting a deeper clean. I feel like I'm also getting a facial massage to kind of like drain the lymphatic drainage. Is that what it's called? I don't know, but the battery life on this is also so awesome. I've been using this for, I don't know, like 6 months or so, and I have not had to change the batteries. It's awesome. So I'm excited that I got this in my glam bag because I'm going to gift this to someone this holiday season so that they can enjoy it as much as I do, because I really don't think it's a product that I need double of. But it retails for $99, which is very expensive, but I just feel like now that I'm using it, I can't go back to washing my face without it. I just wouldn't be getting a deep enough clean anymore. So I love this. I highly recommend. It's the PMD Beauty Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device, and this is in the shade Warmth. Next up, ooh. Oh, this looks beautiful. You know what? I recognize this as something that maybe I redeemed points for. So that might be why it looks like I have so many products in here, because I also have the products that I redeemed my IPSY points for in here, which, by the way, if you're not familiar with IPSY points, you earn points by reviewing all of your products in the IPSY app. And if anyone ever wants to sign up with your referral link, they can do so and you will get some points. So anyone that has an IPSY subscription gets a referral link. I always have mine in the description of my videos. but I am not sponsored by IPSY. I really wish that I was. I'm such a big IPSY fan. I wish that they would just sponsor me, but I'm not. So that's just a link that anyone who gets an IPSY subscription has. So if you're interested in signing up, you can use that link. And so here from the brand Hip Dot, which I love the brand Hip Dot, this is the Sun Goddess 4-Shade Face Palette. And I was able to redeem points for this. So I basically got this for free, and it's a full-size, beautiful palette. Look at these shades. It really is so like sunset vibes, which I'm loving. Okay, next from my box here, I have, from the brand Patrick Ta, 4 Lips. Oh, I love the sound of that. Major Glow Softening Lip Mask in the shade She's Juicy. Oh my gosh, this is a perfect product for me. I love lip products. I love lip masks, and I have been really wanting to try out more Patrick Ta products. Like, this just seems so luxurious. The packaging, oh my goodness. And it smells really good, like a creamy mint smell. Oh, I can't wait to try this out. My lips have been so incredibly dry. Like, they're always chapped, but with the cold weather, they are awful. So I think this will be great for me. So the Patrick Ta Beauty Major Glow Softening Lip Mask in She's Juicy retails for $22. Ooh, another brand that I love, that I recognize here, Ofra. And this is the Midi Palette in Sitting Pretty. Oh my gosh, I love Ofra face products, like their highlighters. Oh yes. And this has 2 beautiful blush shades and a highlighter. You know, I'm surprised this didn't come with like a plastic covering that palettes usually have, because like it's getting the powder all over the mirror. Doesn't look like the mirror has a cover to it. Interesting, like it doesn't look like the product has been swatched, but it doesn't look like it's in new condition. So that's kind of weird. But aside from that, it looks like a pretty palette. I'm excited to play around with these shades. So the Ofra Cosmetics Sitting Pretty Midi Palette retails for $35. I just find that incredibly expensive for that small 3-pan palette. Next up, I feel like I recognize this brand, this packaging. It's from the brand Selah, Masque de Glacier Clay Mask, Facial Collection Glacier. A clay mask. This clay mask exfoliates and deep cleanses, revealing softened, toned, and radiant skin. So I'm not too excited to get clay masks in IPSY. It's one of those products that I have repeatedly said that I don't want when I'm filling out my survey or my reviews. So I'm kind of bummed that one of my products was wasted on a clay mask. I'm sure this is a really nice one, but I just have so many masks right now, and I just don't even see myself using this right away or all that often. So in that case, it can be another great product for me to gift to someone else this holiday season. So let's see what the retail value on this is. The Selah Masque de Glacier Clay Mask, I'm pronouncing that so wrong, I'm sure, retails for $40. So yeah, $40 mask. That's a nice gift. Next up, ooh, some pretty packaging here. From the brand Wishful, which I'm not familiar with this brand, Thirst Trap Juice, HA and Peptide Serum, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera. So it's hydrating, soothing, luminous glow, firms and tightens. So I feel kind of the same way about serums as I do about masks. I just have so many, and it's not one of those products that I have, like I said, filled out in IPSY surveys and reviews that I want to keep getting. So I'm kind of bummed to see that IPSY isn't really listening to my reviews very much this month. Same with my other IPSY Glam bag for the month of November. Like, I'm sure this is such a nice serum. And for someone that wants a serum, this is really exciting. But I don't want to be like wasting the products that I'm spending so much money to get in this box for products that I don't really want, you know? Oh, it's just such beautiful packaging on this. So this will probably be another great product to gift. I feel like this is also going to have a high retail value. But this is a very skincare heavy box because I also got that facial brush. So the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice HA3 Peptide Serum retails for $47. Next up, let's hope for some makeup, right? From the brand Rare Beauty, which I was hoping I would get more Rare Beauty products in IPSY. This is the With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm, which I'm so excited to get a lip balm, but that's 2 lip balms in here. So the makeup products that I am getting are kind of like repeated types of products at least, but I mean, I love a good lip balm, so I am excited to get this. A hydrating, fuss-free balm that adds a hint of just kissed color and soft shine. Like, that sounds amazing. I don't really feel like this has much color to it. It looks clear. So it's almost like the same kind of shade as the other lip balm I got. So I wish they were at least different colors or served a different purpose for the lips, but they seem very similar. But I'm loving the brands that I'm getting. I was just so excited about this box, and I feel like it's not really living up to my excitement. So the Rare Beauty With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm in Honor retails for $16. Okay, I'm like, I haven't even gotten any Huda Beauty products yet, but this is Huda Beauty. And this is the Purple Haze Huda Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. I love the little Huda Beauty 9-color palettes that are so travel friendly, but they have a lot of impact. And ooh, this one looks so fun. I love playing around with cohesive, colorful, sparkly palettes like this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to play with this. I haven't played around with a fun eyeshadow look in a little while, so now I'm just itching to play with this. It looks beautiful, but I also see some neutral shades in here too to do more of a everyday casual look, but this could also be amped up for something really fun. So yay, that is a really exciting product in my opinion. So the Huda Beauty Haze Obsessions eyeshadow palette in purple retails for $29. Next up, wow, there seriously are so many products in here. Another Huda Beauty product. This is the Overachiever Concealer. Yes, see, this is the type of makeup product that I love to see. I'm so excited to get complexion products like a concealer, a foundation. That's probably like my favorite type of makeup product to get. So yay, I am so pumped about this. I have it in the shade Marshmallow. Cute packaging. I wonder what this retails for, and I wonder if it has high ratings. I'm not too familiar with this, but I am so excited to try it, and I'm very picky with my concealers. So the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever High Coverage Concealer in Marshmallow retails for $30. And ooh, on the IPSY app, it looks like it does have high ratings, so that is really exciting. And I still have one product left in here. Ooh, this is from Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Lip Pop Nourishing and Smoothing. See, a third lip balm, but this one I actually redeemed IPSY points to get. And I love the brand Glow Recipe. I'm always using some sort of Glow Recipe product in my skincare routine. And I have not tried out a Glow Recipe lip balm, I don't think. Oh my gosh, and it smells amazing. And once again, I pretty much got this product for free by redeeming my points. So my points products here, I think, are incredible. The Hip Dot Highlighter Palette and the Glow Recipe Lip Pop. Like, those are such great products. I kind of like these more than most of the products I actually got in my Glam Bag X, which I will do a recap now of all of the products that I got actually in my Glam Bag X, and I will let you know the total retail value. But let's see, I feel like I got so many products. I got 8 products, which is a lot compared to the other subscriptions that I get. And so I got the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice Serum, the Ofra Midi Palette, the Huda Beauty Concealer, the Patrick Ta Lip Mask, the Huda Beauty Purple Haze Eyeshadow Palette, the Rare Beauty Lip Balm, the PMD Facial Cleansing Device, and the Sela Clay Mask. And that brings me to a total retail value of $318, which is fantastic value for a box that I paid $50 for. So I really shouldn't complain about anything with this box because they're all nice products that I could get use out of. But in this case, I am going to be gifting some of them, which is also awesome. So I just love to see an amazing deal with my boxes, and the Glam Bag X, you just cannot beat the type of deal that you get with these. I'm so impressed. But so I would really like to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on any of the products that I got in this box today. Let me know if you have any tips. That really helps me out when I hear that maybe you like a product that I wasn't too excited to get, because then I'll actually be excited about it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.